Fiddle, what are you doing?
No.
Co radiš?
We do our job and we do right by God. Let's tease out anything.
What's that order in the universe thing?
Well, our insurer spent $300,000 on this new model, new field thing, new society. Who was the ideal insurer?
Fiddle, what are you doing to my glass,
They
Fiddle?
sent it over showing a great job they're doing. And you know what it said?
Huh?
It said that people
Co radiš?
live longer than people with no kids. People with two live longer than people with one. Smoking is bad. Eating is bad. Marriages in the family are bad. Divorce is bad. It's kind of nice to see.
Fiddle,
You know? And you're the one with perfect kids.
Mom, that's not.
co radiš?
Of course it isn't fair. But when you screw up, it's embarrassing. It's supposed to be a dean.
It's not like I killed somebody.
Telling a teacher to
This is golden.
reporter up his ass is as close as we get.
The guy's a buffoon, Mom. I was quoting. It was like an ironic shot.
You want an ironic probation? We haven't even gotten to the point, man. This is beforehand. So, what do we do?
Community service.
Move. It's brilliant. Community service is a great idea. The assisted living leisure center is having a dance party. They
For the love of God,
My
Mom.
parents are gonna die when they
leisure
see this.
center. Okay.
They were gonna die.
Hockey team needs a
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Which team?
Dance with Dad. Community conversation.
You've been doing this for like 2 minutes.
Last time, okay? Thank you.
Brendan, you're such a kid.
Hey.
God gave me I can't help it.
Mom, I need to go kill myself.
Of course you do, Lizzie.
Excuse.
No.
Gotta note it.
Okay, you stop right now. You should know better.
Ah, Fiddle.
Family, shall we?
I said no.
No?
I demand emancipation. I want a lawyer. Hey, I'm filing rape.
Hello? Sorry,
I know. There's plenty. I'll use something up for you.
Ooh. Ooh.